And the rock Tremendous Ethan Superstitious is by the rail moving up to take the lead. Taralet, then followed by King Bearheart. Running by the rail is the favorite. Headline Chaser on the outside. Promise, and trailing the group is Panamera. Past the last 900, we have Superstitious by about 4 lengths. Moving up to take second is Headline Chaser, and running on the outside, Tremendous Ethan. Taralets, King Bearheart. Promise remains second last, and trailing the group is Panamera. Past the last 600, now we have the complexion of the race has been changed with Headline Chaser. King Bearheart throwing a challenge on the outside. Superstitious is fading out. Moving up on the outside. Taralets, Promises by the rail. Tremendous Ethan second last. And Panamera still bringing up the rear. With the last 200 meters more to run. Headline Chaser by about 4 lengths now. King Bearheart remains in second. Promise. With the last 75 meters, it's all Headline Chaser. Second, King Bearheart. Promise took third, and Panamera for your quartet. Then comes Tara. Let's close between Tremendous Ethan and Superstitious.